Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I am in my beauty room. For all of my veterans to my channel who's with me from the very beginning, all of this looks very familiar because this is where I actually used to film, in my beauty room. Since then, I've been filming outside of my beauty room in a different room because it has a lot more lighting. But today, I'm back in the beauty room because I want to show you guys some things from my makeup collection. So as you guys can see, all of my stuff is condensed into cubes. So it's going to be a little hard for you guys to see everything. So I'm going to pull some things that I'm going to show you from my collection and spread them all out so you guys can see, kind of like how I did my fragrance collection, so you guys can see things more detailed. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys all of my loose powders that I own and all of my finishing sprays. And when I tell you I have a lot, I have a lot. So this is going to be the beginning of a series because I'm going to be showing you guys a lot of stuff from my collection. So give me a thumbs up if you like videos like this so I know to do more collection videos for you guys. So enjoy my collection of my finishing sprays and all of my loose powders, and stay tuned for more of videos like this in the near future. If you guys are dying to see what I got from my collection, stay tuned. Okay, guys, we are live from another room. I actually just took everything out of my beauty room and laid everything out so you guys can see everything that I wanted to show you guys today. So can I please get a thumbs up for taking all of this stuff out of my beauty room and organizing this stuff so you guys can see this part of my collection clearly. As I said in a previous snippet, I can't really show you guys all of my stuff if it's inside the cubes. So I took everything out and laid everything out so you guys can see everything more clearly. So, all the way in the back, I have all of my setting sprays. And then all the way down, I have all of my loose powders. And then to the left, I have all of my, these are face primers. So we're going to go in detail with everything in a second, but just want to show you guys like a little overview. Hello from behind the camera. This sounds pretty weird, me being behind the camera. Usually I'm in front of it and you guys see my beautiful face, but I gotta show you guys my collections from a distance. Before I start, I just want to say once again, this is not, I repeat, this is not a bragging video. In my last video that I posted, I said that I was going to show you stuff from my collection, and I got a good response from everybody. There are a lot of people who appreciate collection videos. They actually trend very well on YouTube. I know that was one of my first things that got me into YouTube. I loved watching collection videos. I love knowing what other people have. So this is for all my people who love makeup collection videos, makeup declutter videos, makeup everything videos. I'm a makeup junkie. My YouTube name is Aisha Loves Makeup. Clearly you guys can see I love makeup. So this is for everybody who loves videos like these. All right, so on to the video. So in the back, I have my primer. So I have like Skindinavia. We have the green bottles of Urban Decay. I have my Morphe finishing sprays. I have the new It one, which I love. Too Faced, I love. I don't know, I was gonna tell you guys like the sprays, finishing sprays I love, but like all the ones here, like I really do love like every single one of them. Like back in the day, I used to love the Urban setting sprays, hence why I have like almost every single one. The Morphe sprays, I don't really like love them, but like when I don't want to have like a heavy spray on my face, especially in the summertime, I like these sprays because they don't leave your skin drenched. I used to love, love, love the Too Faced primers. Not primers, I'm sorry, setting sprays. But I stopped using them because, like, obviously with makeup, and the thing is, I bought them two, I buy everything two at a time, and by that time, I fall in love with something else. But, like, I used to love that. They smell like coconut water. I have the Urban Decay setting sprays. I love those. I have the Mario Badescu setting sprays. Obsessed with the Pixie sprays. I have my Tarte sprays. I have like the mini Urban Decay. I have my Glow. What is that called? Glow Recipe. The Elf spray. The minis. All right. So now let's go into my face primers. So these are all my face primers. Face primers. Face primers. Face primers. Face primers. All the way at the bottom, it's more face primers. Alrighty, so let me show you a couple of my favorites. I love the Too Faced primers. I love the NYX primers, hence why I have 3 of these. These leave your skin really matte. If you want like a matte finish, this leaves your skin very matte. I used to like the Benefit primers. I'm not like loving them anymore. I love the Too Faced. I used to be obsessed with the Too Faced. I love a lot of Too Faced stuff, but their primers I used to love. It smells like coconut, and that primer smells like coconut. The primer spray smells like coconut as well. I want to say those are, oh, and also the one all the way at the corner, the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. Love that primer as well. It leaves your skin nice and matte. And yeah, that is it. That is it. Oh, I love, this is the whatchamacallit, Bobbi Brown Vitamin Rich Primer. And that really is it for my primers. So, oh, actually, these are, I forgot, I have my Tarte primer, Illamasqua primer, and then now let's go into like these are all setting powders. I'm going to do a separate collection for like my pressed powders, but these are all like loose setting powders. So I love like the Ben Nye. Who doesn't love Ben Nye primers? I love my Sacha Buttercup primers. I got 2 different shades. I love my Chanel setting powders. Obsessed with those 2 bowls is the Ciate London loose powders. Those are nice. I have my Beauty Bakery powders, the Too Faced loose powders. I love the Anastasia powder all the way in the back right there. You'll notice some of my things have dots on them. The things that have like dots on them, see a little dot there. When I used to do makeup for Mercedes-Benz Fashion Week, people kept stealing stuff from my kit because you have to like touch up people's makeup and take some of your stuff and go right by where they're about to walk on the runway, touch them up. And when I would come back to my makeup, half of it would be gone. And one of the girls who was working beside me, she said, "Girl, you gotta start labeling your makeup so you could recognize it from a distance." So she had told me she bought these little orange dots and she dotted all of her stuff. So it doesn't matter who has it, she can spot it from far. So that's been helpful too when I've been doing my side gets with other people. I could always spot my stuff a mile away and be like, excuse me, ma'am, but that's mine. Please don't walk away with that, because I work hard for my stuff, for people just to come and take and steal your stuff. So that's the little dots on everything. I'm not gonna go too in detail and bore you guys, but I just want to give you an idea of all of my setting sprays, primers, and finishing loose powders. If you guys want me to go more into detail with this stuff, I can, but I mean, that's only if you guys ask, because I don't want to bore you guys, but I'm so proud of my collection. Which is why I'm kind of outdoing my beauty room. I'm gonna have to figure out another way to put everything, because I have too much. And this is not even, I didn't even get to the makeup yet. This is just like the starting, the prepping, the setting, like, well, the finishing sprays at the end, but you guys get what I mean. It's not really my makeup. So, like I said, I'm still gonna show you guys of my beauty room, but this is just a little sneak peek of some of the stuff that Aisha has in her collection. Let me know if you guys like videos like this, if you guys want me to continue to do videos like this. I wanted to do like a series, like showing you guys all my lipstick, showing you guys all my foundations, all my pressed powders. Let me guys know if you guys like stuff like that. I mean, I got a good response from my last video when I did mention that I was going to start doing videos like these, and everybody said they like videos like this as well, which is why I filmed this video today. So like I said, can I get a thumbs up for taking all of the stuff out of my beauty room and laying everything out, organizing it nice and neat for you guys, and show some love and support. Anybody new to my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. Show your girl some love. I love makeup, as you guys can see, and that's why I started my channel. But now I do makeup subscription boxes. Back in the day, I would buy a lot of stuff myself, and now I've actually been saving now that I do makeup subscription boxes. So this is the ending of my video. I hope you guys like something different from me just always opening up makeup subscription boxes and doing makeup hauls. And next time I see you guys, I'll see you most likely behind the camera, unless you guys want to see another video with something like this. Maybe I can do like my foundations and my powders. Maybe I can do that video next, and then maybe I can do my lipstick and lip glosses. Let me know, guys. I love and appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.